All right, let's shift our focus here to civic apathy in Delhi that's claimed a life. In fact, this time the incident is reported from the national capital, Patel Nagar metro station area, where a 26-year-old boy was electrocuted right when he touched an iron gate that had electricity running through it. Delhi Revenue Minister is ordered for an inquiry into the death of the UPSC aspirant. The accident has occurred close to Patel Nagar metro station when a live electric wire that could be seen hanging right out in the open. Victim Nilesh allegedly touched that gate which had the wire hanging right beside it, and he was instantly electrocuted, collapsed right there. He was taken to RML hospital but in vain. In fact, the victim, identified as Nilesh Rai, was preparing for Union Public Service Commission examination. News of his demise has really shattered his family members. They've spoken about how ambitious Nilesh was. He did all in his ability to support the family.
A 26-year-old UPSC aspirant who had just qualified his prelims and was preparing for the mains lost his life due to electrocution. This is the same road that he takes every day to go inside his PG where he resides. But yesterday, this very regular journey proved to be fatal because a loose hanging wire electrocuted and that claimed Nilesh's life. Now, this particular road that you see, we are being told it's always drenched, it's always waterlogged. This is a major issue on the part of the authorities. But what is also a bigger question is that if there are loose wires dangling during the monsoon season, whose responsibility it is to work the checks and balance. Remember, this was a regular route for Nilesh. He just held on to that very iron gate just to have support, because you can see there are loose places where there is also the possibility of getting inside a hole. The roads are also not in the best of shape, and to take support he held that iron gate which took his life.
बारिश हो रही थी और वो लड़का जा रहा था और मैं थी, तो मैं कह रही यहाँ आसपास तो कोई नजर नहीं आ रहा था कि चीख है। हमने इधर देखा पहले, मैंने कोई किसकी चीख आई है, यहाँ किसकी चीख आई। फिर हमने ऐसे देखा उसको जाके, तो वो इस पर दोनों हाथ उस पर चुपके हुए थे।
इसी गेट पे? इसी
गेट इस तरफ था पहले।
अच्छा, बाहर की तरफ था।
तो उसने जाने की कोशिश करी उस तरफ, उसने जाने की कोशिश करी कि हम पंडित तरफ चले जाएंगे। वो गेट गया नहीं, वो गया तो था मगर वो उसी पे चिपका रहे।
बहुत दुख है, अब का कहे कि का सोचल बा का भ गई, बहुत बड़ा घटना हो गई।
उनका इकलौता लड़का?
इकलौता लड़का, लड़का में लड़का, 100 लड़का में लड़का।
यहाँ पोस्टमार्टम हो रहा है। दिल्ली सरकार की लापरवाही से बिजली के खंभे और गेट में या पानी में करंट उतर गया था, जिससे इसकी मौत हो गई है। काफी देर तक वो उस गेट में लड़का चिपका हुआ था। अगल बगल के लोगों की इकट्ठा हो, लेकिन हिम्मत नहीं बना पाए जिससे उसको वहां से करंट के डर से हटाया जाए।
लोग कह रहे थे कि बिजली विभाग को फोन किया गया है, किसी ने फोन नहीं उठाया। वहां पर आधा घंटा तक पड़ा रहा, आधा घंटा तक जिंदा था। और अगर उस समय तुरंत रिएक्ट किया होता, बिजली विभाग ने रिस्पांस किया होता, तो शायद बच सकता था।
देखिए, इस पर एक इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर करी गई है। मैंने चीफ सेक्रेटरी को आदेश दिए हैं कि इस पर जांच भी करी जाए कि कौन जिम्मेदार है इस प्रकार की घटना के लिए, और दूसरे एक्स ग्रेशिया रिलीफ के लिए आदेश दिए।
The Delhi government just looks other way around, and then the way the young child his life has been taken is really shocking. And whoever responsible, whether it be NDPL or the BSES, probably the BSES, they should be taken to task, because the pole nearby has probably, there's a leakage there, and then it has happened because of that. But Delhi government has not prepared for this such sort of eventuality at all. I mean, Delhi government is sleeping overall.
Let me cut to Shreya Chatterjee joining us live. She's been tracking that story for us. Shreya, that image is truly heartbreaking and shocking. Could have been any one of us. That iron gate that had a loose live wire that was hanging wasn't detected, and the civic authorities there claim that they're investigating the matter. They should be taking responsibility and must be sued for their failure.
Well, you know, Nabila, this is something which is extremely sad because there is a role on the part of the authorities to perform some basic checks and balance. I'm in this area for quite some time right now in the morning, and you can see the way the wires are over here. It's completely mismanaged, and clearly no one is there to keep a check and balance on these situations, especially when the monsoon arrives. This is the role of the authorities to see that no loose wire is dangling. Adding to that, Nabila, see, this is the road. This is the unfortunate spot where Nilesh lost his life. Here there is the gutter is literally broken. What happened essentially is when he was walking through this area to reach his residence, his legs slipped in this gutter, and that's the reason he had to hold this iron gate, because it was already, the electricity was running through this iron gate. He got electrocuted. So, I mean, this is nothing less than a death trap. You have a gutter which is, not worked upon. This is the responsibility of the local authority. It is the responsibility of the local authority to check that dangling wires shouldn't be there around monsoon. So this is a clear failure on the part of authorities. And even then, when such incidents continue to happen, we do not really see any action on the ground. That is extremely sad that we have to lose a person like Nilesh, who had qualified his UPSC prelims. Who knows? He would probably would have gone on to manage the country, become one of the best, and clearly this is the unfortunate fate that he had to meet because of a tragic death trap, because the authorities did not do their jobs properly ahead of the monsoons.
Really tragic, and shame on the civic authorities for this. This really exposes the kind of infrastructure maintenance that the civic authorities carry out. It's especially monsoon time, and you see these loose wires dangling all across the national capital. I'm witness to it. Let's just hope this is the last of it. And there should be some responsibility and onus to be taken on this case.